Welcome to Marchetti Towers. Primarily available to sophomore, junior, and senior students, St. Louis University's Marchetti Towers offers studio, one-bedroom, and two-bedroom apartments, housing more than 540 students. Located on the east side of campus, Marchetti Towers offer awesome views of St. Louis University and the city of St. Louis from its upper floors. There are two towers to Marchetti. Each building has a small lobby with a 24/7 security desk. Student Health, SLU's on-campus health clinic, is located on the bottom floor of Marchetti Tower East. Each unit in Marchetti Towers offers a sleeping area, a bathroom, living area, and full kitchen. Rooms on all floors except the second also have balconies, and all apartments include a small linen closet and a coat closet. Let's take a look at some of the floor plans. Studio apartments, double apartments where roommates share a bedroom, and triples, two-bedroom apartments shared by 3 roommates, are available. The studio apartment has a dedicated kitchen, a private bathroom, and plenty of closet space with a combined living-sleeping area. The double apartment has a bathroom, a kitchen with a pantry, a living room, and a shared bedroom with a walk-in closet. The triple has all of the above with an additional bedroom, allowing one roommate to have their own room. Marchetti Towers offers central air conditioning and heating, as well as included cable and wireless internet. So, what can you do with each space? While the furniture has to stay in the apartment, you can move most of it around however you like. The studio apartment comes with an extra-long twin bed, a desk and chair, a small dining table with 2 chairs, a dresser, and a couch with a coffee table. Students frequently will place the bed in one corner to create definition with the living area. Bring lighting, additional seating, and decor. You won't need a mini fridge, a full refrigerator is in the kitchen, but you may want to bring a microwave, as well as plates, drinkware, and cookware. The double and triple apartments have extra long twin beds in the bedroom, along with desks and desk chairs, dressers, and large closets. Many units also include a wall of built-in bookcases in the living area for extra storage. Some roommates choose to put 1 or more desks into the living area for more space in the bedrooms. The living area comes with a dining table with 4 chairs, a couch, and a coffee table. Don't forget to bring lighting, wall hangings, and other touches to personalize the space and make it your own, as well as whatever you'll need in the kitchen. The balcony areas of Marchetti Towers are among its most popular features, and outdoor seating and plants add a homey touch. Remember that individual dimensions of the apartments may vary. Check the floor plans at slu.edu for general measurements. What else should you know? Marchetti Towers stay open during Thanksgiving, winter, and spring breaks. A shared laundry room is located in the basement. There is abundant surface parking nearby, and bike racks are located outside the buildings. We can't wait to welcome you to Marchetti Towers. Still have questions? Learn more at slu.edu/housing.